dinner. Don't you guys want dinner? You're gonna ruin the dinner on me. I just got filming this. The dinner of everyone. Except for Jamie, because she's too scared to come up here. So I'm gonna have to throw her some food down. Oh, you guys better start running. Here. It's okay. Uh-oh, pull my hand back. It's okay. Here, have your food. Eat up your food, my friend. Everyone can be dismissed when they're ready to go, and I'll go put your food somewhere else. Wow, look at all the cats up here. I threw them up there. I'm like their little cook. Oh, that one's gonna run. That one's gonna run. I think that one's gonna run. Well, these two are probably gonna run. You're interrupting their dinner. Yeah? You're interrupting their dinner. They're gonna start running. Especially this guy. I just tried to pet him on the head. Little baby Cheeks is up here. See, they're all running from you now. Their dinner is being left out.
Monster.
Well, run. Eat. Don't eat that. Eat that. You can all come back. The beast is left. Hungry? Ha. You guys can come back now. Well, you can come out here when you're ready to eat. This guy's coming closer. I think one of my things fell down. But it's right there. Hi, Marshy. Look at you. Licking your paws because you're fancy. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Oh, I should try turning the brightness up on here. Come on. Plus it. Oh, cripe. Does that make it look any better? It looks like it. Because then it's the most shine. You know you're getting really close to me, right? Do you want me to back it up for you? Oh, that's not a good idea. There you go. I'll let you do you. You're gonna get right next to me, you can. I'm letting you know how close you are to me. Here. There you go. Just letting you know how close you was to me. I know you're gonna get scared of me doing that. Snow. In April. Yep. It's not bad. Then we got water. Are y'all done with your food? It's your feast. And then that monstrosity came and ripped through it. Not that I eat. Alright, well, you guys can watch what I'm about to do. I'm about to fix up their spots so they have good foods to eat. And I'm going to put some more down. So that way, I can come out here later and probably record their feast again. Alright, what type is this? This is turkey and whatever it's called. Turkey. Grilled, mix, a bunch of other stuff. I'm on my knees right now. This hurts. Alright. That's why I didn't want to do that. Let me go like this. And you're sitting right where I'm going to put this. Just stick it under him. Then we'll kick this over by you, hon. Oh, that is ice cold water. Alright, hold on. I'm going to come back with more cans to open. Alright, open cans, ready to be put down. That's 8 now. I think that should be enough for them, right? have so much food to eat. Their feast is complete. And yeah. They can push it around. And I can go throw these out later. Or probably just put them in my house. And I'm pretty sure that's one that I opened before. You guys can come over here and eat, you know. Not gonna hurt you. Yeah, that's not a good idea. I can't really see it come outside, so. Oh. My cats can't have it because they get diarrhea from this. They're outside cats. Well, slash feral, really. I love how they just move it around. Like, they just move as they're licking it. One of them's gonna knock it down. Just be a messed up dinner. I'm gonna get you guys some snow and make that icy water. I got to this too. Jamie, you don't have to go down there and eat. She's going down there and eating dry food. Dry food. We got wet food up here. That is, she's walking through mud. I should try. That gave me an idea. But I'll do that because I don't want you guys to watch me as I make her run for her life. That's sad because they run away from me like I'm gonna kill them. See? Somebody went for water and then they didn't want it. See? We can get him to come back. Jamie's just too scared to come out. She's scared of people. Of course, that's what you get when you got feral ones, though. Some of them aren't. Like that one. It's not that bad. She doesn't like me, but, you know. That's just the cat feast, though. I'm gonna let them be, and maybe Jamie will come up here if I scare her up here. Probably won't, though. But, that's if. I know she likes to run. This one likes to run. All three of them don't like to run, too. One of them's not as bad. But yeah. I mean, that one and that one, chill. The other white one the full white one is actually not that bad. He won't start thrashing around if you pick him up. It's just he prefers to run. But yeah, that's about it. You guys go. That's the end of this. You guys will enjoy this, I know. Bye.